Alright, here comes the train. We hear the rumbling. It's going to get cops stopping us, so we can't really. We hear rumbling, guys. There's a train coming. I think so. We're in downtown Cowan. Time is currently 9:39. Approaching 10 o'clock. And we have a northbound making its way into Cowan. And that cop is moving. Okay. That cop's been stalking us the whole time. Glad he finally left. I think that was rumbling I heard. Ah, that's some sketchy guy over there. Has some first stick. Yep. Here it comes. Wait, I see cop lights down there. So he must have got somebody. Yeah, that's 100% train. In this sketchy town at night. We're here in downtown Cowan. I'm gonna go. Do you wanna go over here or? Actually, I'll be able to see better right here, so I might as well. Oh, I was kind of on edge. We had like two cops. Two cops came over there and just sat next to each other, probably watching us. Somebody probably called. We just been kind of on edge. There's another one right there. There's another one. Sheriff that time. I know, right? You guys. That first cop went after a biker when he really did nothing wrong, to be honest. We didn't see him do anything wrong. And then now the other two cops now approached him. I don't know what's going on down there, but after this, we're gonna get the hell out of here. It's just freaking sketchy. Don't know why there's been so much weird stuff happening to us here in Cowan, but we're just glad the train's finally coming so we can get out of here. This has been a weird night, I'll tell you that. It's been a very weird night. Some pretty odd occurrences. Very surprised he didn't come over and ask what we're doing. Really surprised, but he didn't. Unless it's him right there. Unless it's one of the cops, which I don't think it is. I don't know. Don't know if the train is coming or not. I hope it is. Hope it's coming so we can finally get out of here. Head back to maybe Decker or Ethel Springs. I just, I don't know. We haven't heard the honk at Lookout Road yet. I'm not sure. But that's 100%. That's 100% train rumble. 100%. I wish I could go over there and check, but it's just too sketchy and too risky right now. There's literally 4 cops in the area right now. Hold on. I'm gonna just real quickly check. I don't think that train. Oh yeah, I see its light. Yeah, I see it. I see his light down there. That's just weird how it's not honking at the railroad cross, or how it's not honking at Lookout Road. That's kind of weird. I'm just gonna find a way to get out of here after this. That is pretty weird that I have 4 cops been stalking us. It's just kind of weird to get out of here after this. Wait, let me get over. Just to show the sign it's not my way. Yep. Finally. It's finally coming. It only took 28 hours, but it's finally coming. And 4 cops stalking us. That's hard to do to face sometimes in these train trips. That was like the slow mover too. Yep, there goes the crossing. Oh, it's the. Never mind. Well, cops come. A long one too. Of course, it's hard to get in my way. You know, just classical human behavior. You know. This one might have the pushers on it. It might not. I don't know. pushers. Yep. There's the pushers. There we go. Peace out, guys.